Hi everyone, I am Gaurav Gajral, a first year PhD student from Arkansas State University under supervision of Dr. Fabrice Bolivar. Let me begin my presentation with the introduction. Pigeon pea is an agronomically important crop and is source of different phenolic stimulants like Cajaninstilbene acid, longistylene A and longistylene C as shown in figure 1A. They are called as prenatated stimuli due to presence of phenol group highlighted in pink. Among these stimulants, Cajaninstilbene acid is one of the most resistant stimulant and has various biological properties beneficial to human health like neuroprotective, antibacterial, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and other. So to optimize the production platform for this stimulant, the overall goal of this project was to utilize the hair root culture platform and elicitation procedure to enhance the production of target compound. So to obtain this goal, figure 2 shows the general workflow for this study. So first, hairwood culture of pigeon pea was established. For this, the seeds of pigeon pea were grown in vitro and the leaf of pigeon pea was excised from the young plantlet and infected with Agrobacterium lysogenous strain K599. After infection, the roots would grow on leaf of the plant and they were excised to establish the head root culture for pigeon pea. Then growth curve of pigeon pea was established as shown in figure 4. In context of biomass, the weight of the hair roots increased till day 18 and reached stationary phase after that as shown in figure 3C. And the further part of the project focused on production and characterization of Cajaninstilbene acid. So in the culture medium extract, CSA was identified using liquid chromatography mass spectroscopy as shown in figure 5. Based on UV spectra and fragmentation pattern, the peak pointed with red was identified to be Cajaninstilbene acid. To optimize the time period for production of Cajaninstilbene acid, the hair roots were elicited for 48, 96, 144, and 168 hours. From figure 6, we can see that as the time point increased, the intensity of the yellow color in the culture media increased, suggesting secretion of stilbenoid in the culture medium. And based on 6, we can see that the highest accumulation of Cajaninstilbene acid was on 96 and 144 hour. And then scanning electron microscopy was done to see the difference in morphology between elicited and non-elicited hair roots, and we can see that elicited hair roots were more stressed as compared to the non-elicited one. And finally, the total yield of carbon and silver acid between elicited and non-elicited hair roots were compared, and we could see that there was over 277-fold increase in elicited hair root as compared to the non-elicited hair root in the yield of Cajaninstilbene acid. And to conclude this presentation, co-treatment of pigeon pea root with elicitor led to high yield of Cajaninstilbene in the culture media and root tissue. And this brings me to end of my presentation. I'd like to thank ACMA for providing me this opportunity.